Okay, everybody, I'm going to provide you with a real quick demonstration of how to set up a study tool using Quizlet. A couple of things that you need to know before you get started is you have to have either a Google account or a Facebook account in order to get started. So with that said, I created an additional Google account so that I could use for this demonstration. I've already logged into Quizlet, but the process is still the same when you initially get on this web page and you start. So we'll start with sign up, and here's what you're going to see. And you can do it this way, or if you already have a Google or a Facebook account, you can start here. If you don't have a Google or Facebook account, but you have another type of account, then you can fill this out down here. But I already have a Google account, so there we go. And I created this one called Ling 4354. So when you first get started, you notice you have no sets yet. So I have no tools here to help me, but I'm going to get started by using create. And I'm going to first name this vocabulary of the eye, because that's what I'm going to use for this demonstration. So you name it, and then you come down here to choose an image, and my image is already here under eye. So I select it, open, and you have to go before and look for these images that you want to use. So here's the eye. I'm going to add 3 items to it, maybe 4. We'll start off right off the bat. It's going to say create a point. So we'll start with the center. The first point we're going to create is going to say enter the term, and it's eye. So we add it. We're done. And then we'll come up here and we'll click up here for the eyebrow. And we'll add it. We're done. And then we'll do the eyelash, and we'll add it. We're done. And let's do this here. I know you can't see completely, but we'll just say that this is the nose. So we'll add it. And we're done. So we've labeled 5 things around the eye, and then we're pretty much done. So we hit create up here in the upper right. And it gives you a link if you want. You can share. I'm just going to close it out and just go quickly to show you that there's 4 different things you can do here. Learn, write, test, or match. So you can do any of these activities. Learn, when you first get started, pulls out the picture. You click on the dot. It tells you what it is. Eyebrow, nose, pressing key, click on it. Eyelash, eye. And the cool thing is that it also will read the word for eye. Come on. Eyelash. So that's just a real quick demonstration of that. And you can go back and you can do write, test, and match. And they're all different. You'll have to take the time to really explore this and get into it. Like this one's I. You type in the term, E-Y-E. You get the answer. Tells you it's correct. And just keep going. Then the test. Again, you go based on the where the dot is. And here's nose. nose. And this is eyelash. And it's got some multiple choices here. I'm going to get some wrong. Now just so you see what happens. These are wrong. And check the answers. And you see it tells you which ones you were correct and which ones you got wrong. So that's test. And then match. Again, it's very simple. Just hit start game. Click on the item, eyebrow. You click on that and it disappears. And if you get it wrong, like eyelash, and you click here, it doesn't disappear, it turns red. So that's pretty much it. After that, you're done. I hope that you can take this and learn and create your own. Like, and again, this is just a starter. All right, thank you.